How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. So there might be a few reasons that the Meta AI is not showing on your WhatsApp account. So to fix that, first you'll have to open your phone settings. And once your settings is open, you're going to scroll down and open your app settings. So you're just going to click on your app settings. Then you will have to find your WhatsApp app. You can directly search for it, or you can simply scroll down until you find WhatsApp. So once you find your WhatsApp app, you're going to click on it and then go to storage and then clear cache. Once you do this, you can open your app and check. But if this still doesn't work for you, then you will have to do another thing. That is, go to your home screen and open Play Store real quick and then search for WhatsApp on Play Store. And you will have to make sure that your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. So if your WhatsApp is not updated, there instead of this open button, there will be an update button, and make sure to update it to the latest version. And once you update it, then you can check if the feature is available on your device. But if it still doesn't work, then the only thing that there is left is that the Meta AI feature on WhatsApp is limited to certain regions or certain countries or certain devices. So all you have to do is wait for an update from the WhatsApp to uh, gain access to it when it is available on your region. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.